Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished judges, esteemed member of the panel, ladies and gentlemen, I'm deeply grateful for the opportunity to present to you my speech today. Your expertise and judgment are highly respected, and I'm honored to have the chance to share my speech with you. Hello everyone, my name is Wasiatul Maufiro, a student of Istiqlal Senior High School. Firstly, praise be to Allah, the Lord of Universe, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings. So now we can meet and gather here in a good place and happy change. Secondly, may peace and salutation always be given to the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the brightness, from the stupidity to the cleverness, from Jahiliyah era into Islamic era. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about something really important. How we, as Santri, can help stop bullying, violence, and sexual harassment. These are big problems everywhere, and we have a special role to play in making things better. As Santri, we learn about compassion, respect, and justice every day. Our Islamic teachings tell us to protect the vulnerable and stand up against injustice. Bullying, violence, and sexual harassment go against everything we believe in. These acts can cause deep wounds, destroy lives, and create a climate of fear. We cannot stand by and let them happen. First, we need to understand what these problems look like. Bullying isn't just physical. It can be verbal, emotional, or even online. Violence includes any physical harm or threats. Sexual harassment involves unwanted sexual advances, comments, or actions. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step in stopping them. Ladies and gentlemen, so what can we do? We have several responsibilities. The first responsibility we can do is educate ourselves. Let's learn about the causes and the effects of bullying, violence, and sexual harassment. The more we know, the better equipped we are to address these issues. The second is, let's speak up. If we see something, we must say something. Don't be a bystander. Report incident to teachers, administrators, or trusted adults. And the third is, let's support victims. Show compassion and support to those who have been affected. Let them know they are not alone and that help is available. And the next is promote a culture of respect. Treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their backgrounds or differences. Stand up for those who are being mistreated. And the last responsibility we can do is be role models. Live our lives according to Islamic values. Show others what it means to be compassionate, just, and respectful. Ladies and gentlemen, here are some practical steps we can take in our daily lives. Create awareness campaigns, organize workshops, seminars, and social media campaigns to educate our peers about these issues. The second is establish support groups, create safe spaces where students can share their experiences and receive support. And the next is work with teachers and administrators. Collaborate with school staff to develop and implement policies that address bullying, violence, and sexual harassment. And the last is let's use our social media responsibly. Be mindful of what we post and share online. Avoid spreading rumors and engaging cyberbullying. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, as Santri, we have a moral obligation to address bullying, violence, and sexual harassment. By educating ourselves, speaking up, supporting victims, and promoting a culture of respect, we can create a safer, more just environment for everyone. Let us work together to make our schools and communities places where everyone feels valued, respected, and protected. I try to make it clear and inspiring, focusing on the unique role Santri can play. I hope this speech will inspire you. The last I say, thank you and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.